let's see. Maybe Santa brought you some presents.
Where's Santa? Where's
Maybe
Santa?
Santa brought you some presents. Well, Santa didn't come.
Santa got you presents.
Oh. Oh, you excited? These are presents from the chimney? Oh,
Santa Claus the chimney.
it's for me? That is for you. Wow. You got a lot of gifts, Evan. You must have been very good this year. Oh, I love this game. Connect. We're gonna have so much fun, Evan, playing this. Thank you, Santa. Mousetrap? Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Santa. How did Santa know you like this?
Hey, the assistant has this.
Assistant has this?
Yeah.
Awesome.
The mouse is trapped. Oh no! Oh, we're going to get out.
Take the one on top of that.
A package? Ooh, Santa left package? We need a knife. Wanna go get a knife?
No, we take it
Okay.
Mouse trap.
Okay.
Open the other two.
Okay, let's open the last ones and then you'll see. Okay, all your gifts.
Surprises! No, another
Oh,
Here you are, button.
and open now.
there's one more, Evan. There's one more there. There should be more.
Huh? The best allergies, huh? It's for me? And this is for me. Dinosaur's egg!
Oh, so
There's
cute.
dinosaurs in
Wow.
there.
That's
You
awesome.
can get a Parasaurus and a Team Rex.
Perfect.
Monster Truck! Monster Truck!
Oh, so awesome.
Which one I can pick?
You can pick all of them.
They're all yours.
I pick this one. Mouse Truck.
Woo, okay, let's open it.
Another package for you.
Oh my god. Oh, I love it.
Show it to us. What is
Oh, I know what it is.
Door open.
This is Open Your Senses Aroma Diffuser. This is awesome.
Evan.
The mouse's trap!
Evan.
Just
I think it's fat.
no.
How do you play it, Evan? What am I supposed to do?
Do stuff.
What do I have to spin the wheel?
Yeah.
Okay. Blue. What do I do now?
Do this.
Right here. Okay.
No. You have to step on the cheese.
Oh, okay.
Step on the cheese.
Let me step on the cheese. And what happens now?
Trap.
What? Who steps on the blue one? Who steps on the blue? Oh my goodness!
Your mouth is trapped.
No way! I got trapped!
Evan,
Now, next Evan's game. Sharper image. We're gonna play. Let's put it together. Let's play this game. We just played chess, which was really nice, or checkers. And now we're gonna play this game. Ah.
No, that's not yours. No.
Wow.
But it doesn't do it.
Ah! You went too far. Ah! Oh, you did it! a good one. You got 40. Oh, fell over. Oh, fell over. That's way too far. Be a little bit softer. That's way too far. Hey, that's too far. Gentle. Slowly. Okay, a little bit harder. Almost. That was pretty good. Oh, that was perfect. 40. That was good. Too far. You got 20 points.
Yeah.
Pretty good. What do you think about this game?
Good.
Good. All right.
That's right.
Getting a hang of it. All right. Can't open it?
No.
What is that? What is it? Dinosaur? You
Yeah.
got 2 dinosaurs?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you got more dinosaur surprise. Whoa. You can make a lot of dinosaurs now. What kind of dinosaur is this? Do you know?
A turtle
And this one?
and a turtle.
Okay. And this one?
A Patasaurus.
Oh my goodness, Patasaurus? Wow. Awesome.
A long Patasaurus.
Wow.
More Play-Doh.
More Play-Doh?
That's
And more
for-
dinosaurs? Ooh.
This is for the
Oh,
for the
perfect.
red dinosaur.
What kind of dinosaur is this?
A T-Rex.
Team-Rex? Oh my goodness. Wow.
This for the purple T-Rex.
Yep. Red is for red. Blue is for blue. Green is for green. Right?
This for red.
Orange for orange. Oh, that's red. Where's orange? Is there orange anywhere?
Buttons don't have orange.
Yeah.
Green to green. The purple dinosaur.
Yellow,
Where's the
green,
blue dinosaur? Oh, there he
blue,
is.
purple, orange, and red.
But where's the blue dinosaur? He's gone.
What happened to the
For
blue?
blue.
Blue for blue?
Yeah.
Okay, that
Whoa.
sounds fair.
Oh, I really missing all the colors.
You love mixing all the colors? It's pretty good. Okay, who's this?
A Pterosaurus.
Oh, wow. Who is this?
A T-Rex.
Who is this?
A Sisi.
Who's this?
A Chido Tutu.
Who's this?
A Parasaurus.
Who's this?
The Parasaurus.
Wow. There's a lot of different dinosaurs. And you know all the names?
Yeah. See, you can do this all the time.
Thank you.
These are
I
awesome.
love ties.
There you go. Perfect.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I love ties.
What are you eating, Duke? Duke?
Favorite. Actually, hold on. Let me go get it.
Wow.
Wow. What is it?
Wow. Thank
Oh,
you.
more
Yeah,
shirts?
this is nice.
Wow.
This is
very
really nice.
If you don't like it, you can return it upstairs.
Wow. Very nice. Thank you. These are very nice.
Very
Thank you
nice.
so much.
Aww.
You don't have to like that.
Awesome gift from Mark.
Ew.
Exactly what I needed.
Okay.
Wow.
I do. Wow, this has everything. Thank you. Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Let me see. Wow, fancy, fancy. Very nice. Dookie's having Christmas breakfast. And dosa. All happy, Dookie? Nothing left from dosa. That was a quick one. And your last hot dog. You want a hot dog? There you go. You happy now, Dookie?
You have to switch.
Okay. Let's play a little bit. Oh, okay. Here.
You have to switch.
Okay, I'm gonna be blue, you'll be red.
I'd be red. Yes!
Duke, no!
Yes!
No, Duke!
I think you.
No! Hey! No, Dookie, no.
Yeah.
Wow, you almost got it. No, Duke. Don't you play through. Ah! 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 No, Duke! No, Duke! No! Duke, no!
I'm gonna.
Whoa! Got a lot of surprises.
As I go to anywhere I flow, sometimes I believe, at times I'm not sure. I can fly high, I can go low.